welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to study Maths 1 Algebra March 2026 answer sheet. Let's start. Question 1a. Number 1. Rate of GST on essential commodities is dash. Answer C 0%. Number 2. Out of the following equation, which one is not a quadratic equation? Answer A, x square plus 4x equal to 11 plus x square. Number 3. To draw a graph of 4x plus 5y equal to 19, find the value of y when x equal to 1. Answer B 3. Here solution given. Then number 4. Sum of first 5 multiples of 3 is answer A 45. Solution is given. Question A2. On certain articles, if rate of CGST is 9%, then what is the rate of GST? GST equal to CGST plus HST, but a CGST equal to HST, so 9% plus 9% equal to 18%. Then number 2, for a simultaneous equation in variable x and y, if dx equal to minus 42 and d equal to minus 3, then find the value of x. Dx minus 42, d minus 3, formula x equal to dx upon d, for minus 42 upon minus 3, minus plus, so x equal to 14. Then number 3, when two coins are tossed simultaneously, write the sample space S. Answer S sample space S equal to HH, TH, TT, HT. Number 4, write the following quadratic equation in the form ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Question 2y equal to 10 minus y square. Answer y square plus 2y minus 10 equal to 0. Question 2a. Number 1. If one die is rolled, then find the probability of the event that the number on the upper face in prime. Solution S is sample space S equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So number of S equal to 6. Event A, prime number on the upper face A 2, 3, 5. Number of A 3 numbers. So P of A equal to number of A upon number of S. So P of A equal to 3 upon 6. So 3 2s are 6, 1 upon 2. Then number 2, write the correct number in the given boxes from the given AP 70, 60, 50, 40, so on. Here T1 70, T2 60, T3 50. A equal to T1 means 70. Difference T2 minus T1, 60 minus 70 minus 10. Number 3, complete the following table to draw graph of the equation x plus y equal to 3. Here x 3, y 5. Answer x plus y is equal to 3, 3 plus y is equal to 3, y is equal to 0, this 3, 0. Then y is equal to 5, so x plus 5 equal to 3, x equal to 3 minus 5, x equal to minus 2, here minus 2, 5. Then question B1, if two coins are tossed simultaneously, find the probability of the event getting at least one head. Answer, two coins are tossed, sample space HH, TH, HT, TT, so number of S 4. Let A be the event of getting at least one head. So A equal to HH, TH, HT. Number of A 3. Then number of A equal to number of A upon number of S 3 upon 4. Number 2. Solve the following simultaneous equation. Here x plus y is equal to 4. 2x minus y is equal to 2. Here plus y minus y. So addition. So x equal to 2. Substituting x equal to in equation number 1. Here y is equal to 2, so solution is xy 2, 2. Number 3, solve the following quadratic equation by factorization method. X square plus x minus 20 equal to 0. Multiply 20 and subtract 5. 5 4 20 plus minus. So x square plus 5x minus 4x minus 20 equal to 0. This common factor, here common factor. So first x plus 5, then x minus 4. So x equal to minus 5 or x equal to 4. The roots of the equation are minus 4 and 4. Then number 4, given AP is 12, 16, 20, 24, so on. Find the 24th term of this progression. Here AP 12, 16, 20, 24, so on. A here 12, difference 16 minus 12 means 4. So formula Tn equal to A plus n minus 1 upon into D. So T24, A12, n24 minus 1, difference 4. So 12, 23 into 4, 23 into 4, 92, addition T24, 104. So T24 equal to 104, 24th term of given AP is 104. Number 5. If delta x1 f4 equal to 1265 and n equal to 50, then find the mean of the given data. Mean equal to x bar equal to delta f1 x1 upon n 1265 upon 50. So division 25.3. Question 3a. Shrikar bought a laptop with 10% discount on printed price. The printed price of that laptop was Rs 50,000. 80% GST was charged on discounted price. Find the amount of CGST and HGST. What amount did Shrikar pay? Answer. Discount 10% of 50,000. So 5,000 rupees. Tax value of laptop 5,000 minus 5,000. So 50,000 minus 5,000. So answer 45,000. Rate of GST 18%. So CGST equal to HGST 18 half 9%, 9%, CGST 9% of 45,000. So 9 upon 100 into 45,000. 0 cancel. Answer CGST 4,050 and also HGST rupees 4,050. Total amount of laptop is 45,000 plus 4,050 plus 4,050 rupees 53,100. Question 3.2. One of the roots of the quadratic equation 5m square plus 2m plus k equal to 0 is minus 7 upon 5. Complete the following activity to find the value of x. Solution. Minus 7 upon 5 is the root of quadratic equation 5m square plus 2m plus k equal to 0. Put m equal to minus 7 upon 5 in the equation. 5 here minus 7 upon 5 bracket square. These two m minus 7 upon 5 plus k equal to 0. 7 minus 7 square 49, 5 square 25. 7 into minus 14, 5 plus k. Here 5 1 5 5. So 14 upon 5 plus minus 14 upon 5. Here base same plus k equal to 0. So 49 minus 14 upon k 5 plus k equal to 0. Subtract 35 upon 5 plus k equal to 0. 5 7 35. So k equal to minus plus minus. So k equal to minus 7. 3b. Two numbers differ by 3. The sum of twice the smaller number and thrice the greater number is 19. Find the numbers. Answer. Let the larger number x and small number y. First condition, difference x minus y is equal to 3, number 1. And second condition, 3x plus 2y equal to 19, number 2. Here, multiplying equation number 1 by 2, 2x minus 2y equal to 6. This one, number 3. Then 2 and 3, addition. 3x plus 2y equal to 19 and 2x minus 2y equal to 6. 2y, 2y cancel. So 5x equal to 25, x equal to 5. Substituting x equal to 5 in equation number 1. 5 minus y equal to 3, minus y equal to 3, this minus 5. Minus y equal to minus 2, y is equal to 2. The required numbers are 5 and 2. Number second, Sachin invested some amount in a national savings certificate scheme. In the first year, he invested rupees 5,000. In second year, rupees 7,000. In third year, rupees 9,000, and so on. Find the total amount that he invested in the 12 years. Answer. The total invested for 12 years are 5,000, 7,000, 9,000, so on. They are in AP. So T1 means A equal to 5,000, T2 7,000, T3 9,000. In 12 years, difference T2 minus T1, 7,000 minus 5,000, so 2,000. Formula Tn equal to A plus n minus 1 D. T12, 5,000 plus 12 minus 1, difference 2,000. 5,000 11 into 2,000, 5,000 plus 22,000. T12 means 27,000. Then Sn equal to n upon 2 into bracket T1 plus Tn. S12, n12 upon 2, T1 5,000 and Tn 27,000. Here 2 6 are 12, addition 32,000. So multiplication 1,92,000. So the amount invested in 12 years is rupees 1,92,000. Number 3. There are 6 cards in a box, each bearing a number from 0 to 5. Find the probability of each of the following events that number 1, the number on the card drawn is a natural number, and number 2, the number on the card is a whole number. Answer. Sample space 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So number of S 6. Then let A be the event that the number on the card is a natural number. So A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So number of S equal to 5. P of A equal to number of A upon number of S. Number of A 5, number of S 6. So 5 upon 6. Number 2. Let B the event that the number on the card is a whole number. B is equal to whole number are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. P of B equal to number of B upon number of S. Here number of B 6. So 6 upon 6, 1. Then number 4, draw a histogram of the following data. Here data given, height of students semi and number of students. Histogram on graph. So graph is here, height of students and number of students here. Here scale, x-axis 2 semi equal to 5 semi height and y-axis equal to 1 semi 2 students. Question 4.1. The sum of two roots of a quadratic equation is 7 and sum of their cubes is 91. Find the equation. Answer. Let the roots be alpha and beta. Alpha is beta here given 7 and alpha cube plus beta cube is 91 given. So formula alpha cube plus beta cube is equal to into bracket alpha plus beta bracket cube minus 3 alpha beta into bracket alpha plus beta. Put value. Here alpha cube plus beta cube 91. This value 7. 3 alpha plus beta given 7. 7 cube 343. Then 7 3 21 alpha beta. Here 91 minus 343 divide minus 21 alpha beta. So minus 1 plus alpha beta is equal to 2. 12. The required chord equation is x square minus into alpha plus beta x plus alpha point beta equal to 0. X square minus 7 given x plus alpha beta 12. So x square minus 7x plus 12 equal to 0. Then number 4.2. Question 4.2. Srimati Tejaswini purchased 100 shares of FV rupees 80 when the market value is rupees 900. She paid brokerage at the rate of 0.5% and 18% GST on brokerage. Find the following. Number 1. Net amount paid for 100 shares, brokerage paid on sum invested, GST paid on brokerage, and total amount paid 100 shares. Answer. Given thing, face value 80 rupees, market value 900, number of shares 100, brokerage 0.5%, GST on brokerage 18%. First, cost of 100 shares with market value rupees 900. So 100 into 900, answer 90,000 rupees. Second, brokerage 0.5% on 100 shares at market value rupees 900. So 0.5 upon 100 into 900, number of shares 100. So 100 cancel, multiply rupees 450 rupees. Then number 3, 80% GST on brokerage, this amount 450. So 450 into 18%. So 0 cancel, multiply rupees 81. And number 4, total amount paid 100 share 90,000 plus 450 plus 81. So rupees 90,531 rupees. Question 4.3. The following table shows the funds collected by 105 students for flood affected people. Find the median of the data. Here data is given. Answer. Median. Funds rupees, number of students, cumulative frequency 10 20 10 20 30 30 40 40 50 50 60 60 70 70 80 and number of students given 10 37 15 27 8 8 addition 105. Then same 10 10 plus 37 47 47 plus 15 62 62 plus 20 82 80 plus 7 89 89 plus 8 97 and 97 plus 8 105. Then n 105, n upon 2 105 upon 2 52.5, corresponding class 30 40, lower limit 30, f15, cumulative frequency 47, h10, median L plus formula, this L30 52 minus 5 minus 47 upon 15 into 10, here subtract, then divide multiplication 30 plus 3.66, so 33.67 means 34 or 33.67 made equal to. Question 5.1. A survey was conducted in the school. Students using different modes of transport is given below. Mode of transport, percentage of students. Bicycle 35, bus A, railway 2A, rickshaw 20. Find the value of A and draw the pie diagram. First find the value of A. Here percentage 100 up you know. So 35 plus A plus 2A plus 20 equal to 100. 35 plus 3A 100. 100 minus 55 45. So A is equal to 15. So A 15, 2A equal to 2 into 15 30. Then for pie diagram, Mode of transport, percentage, measure of central angle. Bicycle 35, 35 upon 100 into 360, so 126 degree. Bus 15, 15 upon 100 into 360, 54 degree. Railway 30, 30 upon 100, 360, 108 degree. And rickshaw 20, 20 upon 100 into 360, so 72%. Addition year 360 and year 100. Here pi diagram. 126 degree, bicycle 54 degree, bus 108 degree, railway and 72 degree rickshaw. Question 5.2. There are some students in group A and group B. If one student goes from group A to group B, then the number of students in both groups is same. But one student goes from group B to group A, then the number of students in group A become twice of group B. Find the number of students in each group. Answer. If students goes from A to B, both groups have some number of students. A minus 1 equal to B plus 1 here. So here A minus B, this one A plus 1. So A minus B equal to 2, number 1. Then second condition, if one student goes from B to A, then group A has twice as many students group B. Here A plus 1 twice B minus 1. A plus 1 twice multiplied 2B, 2 ones are 2. Then A 2B here minus 2B, here minus 2, this plus 1, here minus 1. So A minus 2B equal to minus 3, equation number 2. Then subtract 2 from 1. So A minus B minus A minus 2B equal to 2 minus minus 3. Then A minus B minus A plus 2B equal to 2 plus 3. Here A plus here minus A cancel. So 2B minus this B, so B equal to 5. Substituting B equal to 5 in 1. 1 A minus B equal to 2. So A, B value 5. A minus 5 equal to 2. A equal to 2. Here plus 5. So A equal to 7. Group A has 7 students and group B has 5 students. Check your answer, please.